All right. So the project I intended to make this week was this right here. It's a pulled warp project I seen on Shack. I wanted to make a few changes because I'm not in love with the fringes, and I was planning to make it a little bit smaller for a kid. Now, it was super fun to weave. You could see I'm just having a blast weaving it. And on the loom, it's looking great. It's looking great. And honestly, half of it looks fantastic. Look at this. This is beautiful. But I found I pulled a little too hard and I could not unpull what I did. So I could not spread the warp back out after I had pulled it. And you see where I pulled it way too tight and it spread way too much. So you live and you learn. You can see they came out completely different sizes because of that. Before I cut it off, they were the exact same size. So I get to put this in my lesson learned bin, uh, but also a little bit of a fail. After that, it was very fun to do. I put it in 8 dent reed. I was weaving at the recommended angle, and you can see the slope here. It's quite nice. I changed the slope slightly for the center because I wanted it to be a little bit less. And it was still going very good until I just kept pulling and I pulled way too much. I don't know why I just kept pulling. I just can't help it, I guess. It's a problem I have. But uh, after that, if I make that adjustment in the future and I don't pull quite so aggressively, I think this could be a beautiful project next time around. It's just this time around, it was not. Boop. And it would have been the right size for uh, a child because you look and see how it fits just over my shoulder. If I was, half my age, it would be a lot bigger and fit a lot nicer. The size they have is for an adult in this pattern. So if you want to do that, definitely do that. But after that, it was still fun. Just a fail. And we'll keep trying. And if you guys decide to make a project, maybe follow the instructions better and don't pull quite so much as I did. I'll show you. You can watch the video and see. I'm just like, so have fun. Have a great one. I had fun doing this. See you next time.
Okay, great. Under the golden light, moon moving slow, feeling so right. Barefoot steps, rhythm in the air. In this summer heat, we don't care. Feel the breezes lifting us high, chasing the waves, touching the sky. Together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibes, we're feeling alive summer vibes. The sun gets low, but we're still here. At night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night. We're glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath, every smile. In this moment we go wild. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat. Dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibes, we're feeling alive like summer vibes.
The sun gets low, but we're still here. The night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night.